Hey, what's going on, guys? Danny here with you. In this video, we're going to do a quick price scenario for you this morning. And as always, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. So in yesterday evening's video, I was talking about how we had possibly formed this rising wedge right here. As you see, we did break down a little bit out of it, but we did not come back down all the way at this time to meet this target. And actually, because of that, it looks like we have formed more of a trend line right here, as you can see. So actually do have this trend line going all the way from down here up to here, which actually could have formed another pennant pattern, as you see right here. All right, so if this does happen to play out, let's go over some different targets for us. All right, and also the previous day we could have actually formed a descending triangle, and you can see that right here. So that'll be right here in this blue. All right, so first target, if we want to get the descending triangle, because of course we may have actually broken out of yet another pennant pattern right here in the blue. All right, so let's grab the target for the descending triangle. So we're going to top of the triangle down here to the base of it. And pull this out over here to our breakout area. All right, and as you can see right here, I did draw the Fibonacci retracement. We came from this low right here up to this top right here. And this breakout area of the ascending triangle would line up very well with our 0.27 area. That is the 9943 area right here. And of course, if we do get up there and break that area, the next target would be at the 0.27, the 11409 area. All right, but let's do a much larger picture. This is only if this is a pennant pattern, if it does play out, but let's do a much larger picture. All right, so I'm gonna switch over here to the hourly chart. All right, so if this does happen to be a pennant pattern and does play out, then we could actually take a target all the way from the top of our pennant right here and come down to our breakout area out of our previous pattern and get this flagpole right here. All right, and we can drag this up here. So maybe somewhere around this area right here. And as you see on our larger Fibonacci that we drew a couple days ago, when we went from our very low to our top right here, this would actually line up very well with our 0.27 level area. So let me drag this over a little bit. All right, so much larger scale. If this does play out, of course, we did go from our low down here, and we actually came up to this area right here, which was our high. So our Fibonacci area does show that, of course, our first target would be right here at the 0.27, around the 11058 area. And then, of course, if this whole pennant pattern would play out, it'd be somewhere around here, which is very close up here to the 0.618 area. So that could be a level to keep an eye on. That is the 13940 area. But let's go over here really quick and check out the RSIs and see how we are looking. All right, so over here on the 15-minute chart, our RSI is sitting right around the 47 area. Stochastic is starting to face a little down right here. So if we, hopefully we will hold this trend line. Of course, if we break this trend line, we will be looking to come down a little bit to the 0.5 area, and also the 0.618 area could be a next target. That is actually on this trend line as well. And for some reason, if this does break bearish out of here, and our rising wedge plays out from yesterday's evening, we would be looking to come right around that area right there around the 65.92. Of course, that pattern yesterday, the rising wedge, may have been invalidated. We did have a slightly higher high right here, but of course, during a retest of the trend line up here, we could always have broken a little higher anyway. So we potentially could still have this play out, but more than likely, it looks like we are right on here on this trend line right there. All right, so let's go over here to the hourly. Right here on the hourly, looks like the RSI is right around 55. The stochastic has come all the way down, and we are heading back up right here. So hopefully we have all this room to run with. And then over here on the 4-hourly, the RSI is sitting right around the 58 area, and the stochastic has come back up, and we are starting to run up here as well. over here on the daily. Right, daily chart, we are sitting right around the 77 area. Of course, we're still way overbought, but of course, on the daily chart in a bull run, we can stay over here for quite a while. The stochastic is still facing downward. If we do get a bounce here, then you'll probably see something like this right there. All right, let's go over here to the 15-minute chart again. All right, so as of right now, we are still, looks like we are still respecting this trend line. So of course, we might continue to bounce right through here. And if we do start getting a breakout, then we can kind of confirm that this may potentially be another pennant pattern right here. But we have to wait and see how this plays out. Right now, it looks like we are still looking fairly bullish. So hopefully we do get a breakout to the upside. Of course, we did have this descending triangle right here that we talked about, and we did break out of that. So that could be one big bullish sign, and we could be just consolidating before we get this next leg up, and then break this other trend line right here for our pennant pattern. But we wait and see how this plays out. But I just want to go over that quick scenario for us. But as always, please make sure you do like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video that I do later on today. And have a good day and take care. All right, see you later.